fourth technology website that I wanted to share, and I found this through some exploration, is classroomscreen.com. This is meant to help with classroom management, to help with lessons, to help with engagement. There's so many tools here to use. So you can change the background to something different. You can do a poll where students have to go to this website and you can add a question to it. This made me think of how cool this is for ICE Standard 2.6, the facilitators. Like, you're facilitating lessons and you are leading students through technology and new technology and teaching them how to use that. There's sound levels for classroom management. There is work symbols that they can have in order for them to understand, traffic lights, timers. As a teacher, I love a good timer. It is so useful. There is dice that you can use for certain lessons. There is a text feature where you can type things. You can make a group with your students. So that makes me think for students in terms of the IST standard, where they're collaborating and they're working together, and this technology helps teachers make that so much easier. I don't know how many times as a teacher I have worked through trying to put groups together, make it all perfect, and then it doesn't end up working because kids are gone or things happen. And this is just a tool that makes collaboration, like, you want to do that more in your classroom through this. I think that this is a great tool, not only for teachers, but also for students. It's engaging for them. It makes clear directions. It sets the expectation. It helps with so many things. So not only is this good for teachers because it helps with our management and the way we facilitate our lessons, it can be really great for students too. And I think that this platform used in the classroom is something that can be really powerful with your instruction, your management, and so many other things that we do on a daily basis as teachers.